Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a brand new tutorial video. Today I am going to be sharing with you how to use the Light Elegance hard gels in collaboration with the new P+ glitter gels, and these glitter gels are amazing. They give you that full cover glitter effect but without needing to embed it into the layers. So let's get started. I'm starting with just a little Selfish, which is one of the newest colour gels from the winter collection. Beautiful, beautiful green, you know I love the greens. And I'm just going to apply this to some of the nails. Some of the nails I'm going to do more of like a nudie colour. So I am just choosing these randomly, which ones I want for the green. I also just wanted to show you my new favourite trick to get the colour even closer to that cuticle area, and that is to go in with a little striping brush and really get as close as you possibly can and just paint in that margin around the cuticle area. I just find I can get so super close. The line around the cuticle is so neat. I mean, I'm pretty good, without blowing my own trumpet, I'm pretty good at painting. I've painted nails for a long time, but this just makes it even closer. And I personally love doing this on my own nails because I just find that they last that little bit longer before they need to be redone. Here I'm using the Light Elegance Stripy brush, but you can use any thin brush that you have. And once I'm happy with the margin that I've created around the edge of the nail, I'll then come in with my usual gel polish brush and fill the rest of the nail in.
No, 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 no. 10 feet over, say I'm always up too high. Wish you could take me back. You're standing there with arms wide open. Where it all began.
Next I'm going in with Control Freak, which is another one of the newer colour gels. This is a really beautiful, it's kind of a nudie, greigey kind of colour. I love these kind of colours that have got that muted greigey, beigey tone to them. And I'm just going to apply this to the remaining two nails that don't have any colour. Going in first with my stripy brush to create that really neat margin, nice and close, and then going in with my gel polish brush to apply the colour to the rest of the nail. And I'm now going to apply a second coat of the colour. Now on the ring finger and the forefinger, I'm actually going to do a glitter fade. So to help with that in the sense of the blend, but also with the even thickness and smoothness across the nail, I'm just going to apply the colour to like the top 2/3, 3/4 of the nail, and leave the area around the cuticle a little bit more bare, just so that it gives space for the glitter gel polish to go. So that's why I'm not going right up to that cuticle line for the second layer, and as I say, that's on the ring finger and on the index finger as well. Now it's time for the sparkle, and I'm going to use Champagne P Plus gel polish. Look how much glitter there is in this. I have had a few messages from people saying that they have found that their glitter gel polishes are not very glittery. One thing I would say, and this is my biggest tip, you have to make sure that you shake that bottle, and when you think you've shaken it enough, give it another shake again. There is loads and loads of glitter packed into these bottles, so some of them are supposed to give more of a semi-sheer look, but the majority of them will give full coverage. So just make sure that you are shaking that bottle enough that you're mixing everything together. I actually decided that I wanted the nudie greige of Control Freak to kind of come through from underneath the glitter, so I'm applying champagne all the way over that middle finger so that you still get that slight colour show through. But if you want full impact glitter, go for 2 coats, no base colour underneath, and it looks absolutely beautiful. And now for the glitter fade, I've just applied a little bit of glitter gel to the base of that ring fingernail. I'm pushing this around the cuticle area to get a bit more coverage, and then turning the brush on its side, and then just kind of pulling and dragging bits of glitter up the length of that nail, not really coming up much past halfway, 2/3 up the nail. And I will do the same on the forefinger, so apply a little bit near the cuticle, push it around that cuticle area so that you create that nice neat line, and then blend it up the nail. I wanted to create real coverage and depth with that glitter for the glitter fade, so I'm just going in with another second thin layer, doing exactly the same as I did the first time. A little bit of glitter gel at the base, push it around that cuticle line. It can be worth wiping the excess off of your brush, either just on the edge of the bottle or onto like a paper towel or something, and then again just using the side of the brush just to pull and fade up the glitter up the nail. Now the most important part when you are using any of the hard gel colours in conjunction with P+, always make sure that you use the P+ top coat, because the super shiny is a lot harder. You may find on the nails that have that P+ that the top coat may crack or chip, and it can sometimes almost separate over the nail as well. So it's best to just go for P+ top coat over all the nails, make your life simple, and it's still going to give you that really long lasting high shine finish. Once that's cured in the dot lamp for 60 seconds, I just give it a few seconds to cool down once it's come out of the lamp, and then giving it a really good rub with the Light Elegance cleanser to reveal that super high shine. And there we have the finished look. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was useful for you. Don't forget to like and comment on this video. Let me know what you want to see next. And if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you are the first to know when I launch a new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.